impressive. The 19th China Shenzhen International Cultural Industries Fair, or ICIF, is being held in China's high-tech hub of Shenzhen, Guangdong province, showcasing the latest development trends and the new technologies and the new products of the cultural industries. The 19th China Shenzhen International Cultural Industries Fair, which will run through Sunday. The international feast merges its traditions and technologies and provides a cultural feast for visitors. The 5-day fair, featuring mainly offline events, has attracted more than 3,500 government bodies, cultural organizations, and enterprises. More than 300 overseas exhibitors from 50 countries and regions around the world participated, with 20,000 overseas professional visitors participating online and offline. Beside me is Joseph from Nigeria. Hi, Joseph.
Yeah, I'm Yusuf, actually, from Nigeria. And it's really, really amazing being part of this wonderful, wonderful experience. So the 19th exposition, it's quite beautiful. And exploring China is one of the best experiences I've had, actually.
Is it the first time that you attended the fair?
Yeah, it's the first time I actually attended. And I look forward to exploring more in the nearest future, actually.
Yes, until now, what just impressed you most?
Actually, the culture, the people, the beautiful city, especially Shenzhen, it's quite nice and wonderful. It's something I've actually never experienced. In my entire life, and I'm so happy to be here in China, especially Shenzhen.
And do you have any expectation to attend this fair? Do you want to have some?
Of course. Actually,
release?
we are here to actually promote our business because we are in fabric, and China being one of the most advanced technology when it comes to fabric design and stuff like that, with the ancient technology. We are looking forward to actually have collaboration with China to further our collaboration and business, because there are so many business opportunities here in China, as can be seen, not just in China alone, but even across the globe. China is actually well known in business, in culture, in technology, and as a civil engineer as well. I have derived motivation when I stepped foot into China and actually saw so many high-rise buildings, how the metro is being connected. So China is really a wonderful place. I'm so happy to be here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Wish you enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And we can see that the gigantic screen, it is very popular at this exhibition. It displays Beijing's landmark, the Central Axis, giving a vivid and complete picture of the Central Axis through days and nights in all 4 seasons. First created in the Yuan Dynasty, the Beijing Central Axis, or 中轴线, stretches 7.8 kilometers between the Yongding Gate in the south of the city and the Drum Tower and Bell Tower in the north. Most of the major old city buildings of Beijing sit along this axis. Recently, the ancient Central Axis has become increasingly appealing thanks to digital technologies. Look, this is a large screen that can be used for presentations, games, and other activities that require visual display. It allows users to interact the content displayed on the screen, making it a great tool for the users. It is said that the screen here adopts technologies including naked eye 3D printing, digital mapping, 3D modeling, digital twin, and cloud rendering, bringing the audience an immersive experience. The organizer has set up 6 exhibition halls featuring digital cultural development of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau, Greater Bay Area, cultural and tourism consumption, and intangible cultural heritage. A total of 100,000 types of cultural products, such as books, costumes, the handicrafts, and 40,000 cultural development projects will be showcased at the fair. The Digital Cultural Exhibition Hall focuses on cultural enterprises digitalization with 5G, big data, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and other technologies applications. The fair also has a special area to showcase China's cultural innovation achievements in the era of artificial intelligence. Now we can see a woman wearing motion capture suit. Let's talk with Wang Zhi, Marketing Director of Magic Future Shandong Digital Technology.
Hi everyone, my name is Wang Zhi. We are from Shandong.
Can you tell us what's the special about the project?
Today we showcasing a real-time interactive system developed by the company for motor visual digital human, consisting of 3 parts: full body machine capture, future observation capture, and motor edit.
And what technology is used to achieve this real-time motion, and especially the expression capture?
You can see this is the motion capture driver is very lightweight and precise in capture with a computation research of 10 hours.
And what do you think the main application scenarios are?
Okay, I also deleted humans sometimes has a wide range of application, such as combination is it with its stimulation and conduction, visual, and also on live streaming platforms. Okay.
Thank you. And is this the first time that you attend this fair?
Yes, the ICIF is a program from enterprises at units or the world to conversations. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. And for those who are just joined us, we are now reporting China Shenzhen International Cultural Industries Fair in Shenzhen, South China's Guangdong province. In 2004, the cultural fair was staged for the first time in Shenzhen, which was later called the China Shenzhen International Cultural Industries Fair, or ICIF. It's one of the largest of this kind in the country and entering its 19th session this year, as we have mentioned. This year's fair covered an exhibition area of 120,000 square meters, attracting cultural organizations and companies from 100 countries and regions. Besides offline events such as exhibitions, forums, and business talks, the fair is also held online. As we can see that there are many products are exhibited, and the 5-day event featuring many offline events have attracted more than 3,500 government bodies, cultural organizations, and enterprises. A digital China exhibition area has been set up for the first time, to highlight and promote national level market players, major platforms, and the latest technology innovations in the cultural industries. As we can see that a mechanical tiger is now on display here, created by a digital cultural creative company in Dalian. This giant tiger is 3.5 meters tall. And now we are joined by Li Dan from Dalian Botao Cultural Technology Company Limited.
Yeah.
Hi, Li Dan.
Hello, I'm Li Dan from Dalian Botao Cultural Technology Company Limited.
Can you introduce us a little bit about what the product, the giant product is?
The Dino Tiger is a sci-fi maker that perfectly combines the structural beauty of race cars and the mighty beauty of tiger. The white, red, silver palette infuses the installation with surging power and sportiness. With over 50 movable joints distributed on its torso, the 3.5 meters Dino Tiger is manipulated by 2 operators and driven by high-powered batteries.
Yeah. And the tiger looks a little bit angry. It roars time and time again. And we want to make a guess and what motive the whole tiger. And as we can see that there is an operator. Actually, there's an operator sitting just inside the mechanical tiger, and he just pressed the buttons, and to control all of the motions and the sounds of the whole machine. Yes. So what is your take on the platform like this, and what do you expect from the ICIF?
The Dino Tiger represents Liaoning enterprises to participate in the Shenzhen Cultural Expo. We hope to use the tiger to express that Liaoning enterprises can forge ahead with vigor and vitality.
Yes. Okay, thank you. So we can see that there are also 2 humanoid robots next to me. It is from another company from Dalian as well, and which specializes in the research, production, and the service of the intelligent bionic humanoid robots. We can see that there is a visitor. Yeah, he is very curious about the technique of 拓印. It is a traditional Chinese technology. He's experiencing. Yeah. It seems that he has already finished his nice works. Would you like to say something about make a comment of the experience?
My first printing in China.
Printing.
Yeah.
Can you read what does it say? Yeah.
Could you help me?
Yeah, it is the content of 扬子法言卷第一, and it is we can see that it's from 论语. Yes. It is close to the content of the Confucius. It is the works from the Confucius. Yeah. And tell us something about your experience. What did you do to make the printing?
That was my first experience in my life.
Yeah.
And very nice, very nice, very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where do you come from, and which company do you on behalf of?
I'm from Iran, and I work as a own company.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it the first time that you attend this fair?
Yeah. For the first time, yeah.
Yeah, I think you have found something that interests you.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes, and what else? And what else do you find?
Thank you.
And Do you find anything else that interesting here
Yeah.
in the morning?
In virtual reality. For virtual reality was my first experience in China. Yeah.
Look, if you come to China, you can start many. You have a lot of chance to have the first experience, of the cultural experience. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And do you have any expectation to attend this fair?
No, all of them are
Yeah.
good. All of them are good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for all people. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
谢谢。
Yeah. The forums, conferences, contract signing, and the creative contents are to be held during the event. As we can see that the cultural industry fair is drawing global attention. There are many visitors, the professional visitors that are coming from 108 countries and regions. There is a statistics that there are over 20,000 visitors have registered for the event, according to the fair's organizer. They think that it's a good platform for the company's international communication. Since its founding in 2004, the cultural fair has seen a continuous expansion in its exhibition scale, visitor number, and the degree of the internationalization. It has become an important platform to promote and development and opening up of the Chinese cultural industries. And now we are joined by the operation director of subsidiary of China Natural Arts Crafts Group Company, Yan Manman.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Manman.
Hi, everyone. Yeah.
Yeah, Manman, you have visited this fair, and is it the first time?
Yes, first time.
Wow. And what have you found?
Yeah,
Special here.
It's amazing, and it's giving me a big picture of the Chinese cultural industry and something very impressive, including a traditional culture and also some new technology.
Yeah.
Yes, transform the culture very radically. Yeah.
Can you give us some examples? What? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. For example, in a Chinese pavilion, in Shandong pavilion, it's my hometown. There's a Chinese blocks. It's called Qiaoli, and it's kind of a Chinese structure, mortise and tenon. It's different from Lego. Yeah, it's Chinese. Yeah, blocks.
Yeah.
Love it. Yeah. And also some VR pavilions. It's just so a wonderful experience. For example, in the Beijing pavilion, also in the Zhejiang pavilion, and all the museum I can see here in a very immersive way. Yes.
And I heard that the ticket of the fair, ICIF, is very special.
Of course, that's the first. How can I say impress me? That's the token. That's my first digital collection. I would like to show you.
Can you show us?
Yeah. How I chose this one as my first digital collect. It's the opera, Peking opera. I loved it.
Yeah, it's a little drop.
Yeah.
Drop.
Yeah. It combines the Peking opera with the token of the expo.
Yeah.
So I love it, and I also combines the NFT digital collections with the ticket of the expo. I think it's a very good choice for the NFT use. Yeah.
Do you think there will be some visitors who just are interested with the digital collection, so they buy the ticket and attend the fair?
No, right now I don't think so. I think in a controlled way.
Yeah.
Because I need to attend expo, so I will buy the ticket, buy the token and then the NFT, and but later perhaps it will different.
Yeah.
Because more and more people learn about it.
Yeah, maybe it becomes a good investment.
Yeah, I think perhaps later it will be
some kind of a secondary exchange. Yeah.
It's quite fun. And in your opinion, how can the digital technology empower the cultural industry?
It's really a big question.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think for the industry, you can divide them into three parts: the production parts, and also the communication and spread parts, and also the consumption part. In the production part, I think the digital technology improves the efficiency.
Yeah.
For example, the AI, the ChatGPT, and improve the design efficiency. Many my friends in the design company, they told me that they just reduce the people in design. And also in the spread part, you can see here, we can see them all the museum in the exhibition, and just relies on the technology. And in the consumption part, right now we not only can see the products right now, we can experience something in the immersive way. So it's through the VR technology, the meta universe, so it's completely different. It adds more value for the consumption. And perhaps the people will spend more money when you travel all the world. Yeah.
Yes.
So I think it's make very big changes.
Yes, I agree with you. Thank you. And after visiting this fair, and we have a glimpse of the development and the fruits of the Chinese cultural industries, and how the cutting-edge technologies breathe their life into the industry, and China's cultural industries just opening their doors wider to the world. And now we are going to wrap up our Xinhua Live now. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.